Hi everyone, welcome back to Made Everything Official. From molten steel to flawless pipes, this is where precision engineering meets industrial mastery. As each seamless steel pipe advances down the line, automated transfer systems move them smoothly into the cooling zone, every motion optimized for balance, speed, and reliability. On the advanced step-type cooling bed, the pipes are cooled evenly, ensuring structural stability and uniform hardness. This perfect balance of temperature and timing defines SMG's engineering excellence. Once cooled, each pipe enters the multi-roll straightening machine. Through synchronized rollers and precise hydraulic control, every tube achieves impeccable roundness and alignment. The result? Dimensional accuracy that meets the highest global standards. From the first transfer to the last inspection, every step embodies SMG's vision of intelligent manufacturing, combining automation, human expertise, and advanced metallurgy into one seamless production chain. SMG, China's leading turnkey metallurgical engineering company, delivering complete production lines trusted by industries around the world. At the cold saw station, the pipes are cut to exact lengths. Both ends are trimmed with clean precision, ensuring uniformity across every batch. Each action reflects SMG's commitment to consistency, productivity, and world-class quality. But production doesn't end there. It evolves into inspection. Skilled technicians examine each pipe's geometry and finish while automated systems perform non-destructive testing, detecting even microscopic irregularities. Only those that meet the strictest criteria move forward. In the final stage, samples are sent to the testing laboratory. Here, mechanical strength, density, and internal structure are analyzed to guarantee the highest performance under real-world stress. In the heart of heavy industry, few components endure more force than a crankshaft, the power spine of every engine. This is where raw steel is transformed into the heartbeat of machines, through a process defined by fire, precision, and craftsmanship. It all begins with massive steel billets, heated to a glowing orange within towering furnaces. Once the metal reaches forging temperature, it's transferred to the counterblow hammer, a machine capable of striking with thousands of tons of force. Each impact shapes the billet closer to its final form, refining the grain structure for maximum strength and fatigue resistance. Next comes machining. Massive CNC lathes and milling centers take over, removing excess material with micron-level accuracy. Journals are turned, oil holes drilled, and precision surfaces finished to exact tolerances. Every rotation, every pass of the cutting tool, brings the component one step closer to perfection. A robotic manipulator positions the red-hot workpiece for every hammer stroke, ensuring perfect alignment. The forging process compresses the steel fibers, creating a dense, durable material that can withstand decades of rotation and stress. When cooled, the forged blank already carries the rough outline of a crankshaft, powerful yet raw. Grinding and polishing follow, giving each surface mirror-like smoothness. This ensures minimal friction and flawless rotation once assembled inside an engine. Every crankshaft is carefully inspected, measured, balanced, and tested for structural integrity using advanced metrology and non-destructive examination. The result? A masterpiece of mechanical engineering, forged in fire, refined by machines, and perfected by human expertise. From forging hammers to precision CNC systems, the process stands as a tribute to industrial innovation and the relentless pursuit of reliability. These crankshafts power not just engines, but the world's movement, one revolution at a time. In the world of heavy industry, precision meets immense force, and nowhere is that more evident than in the creation of train wheels. Here, steel is transformed into motion through one of the most advanced automated forging lines on Earth. It begins as red-hot billets are loaded by massive manipulators and centered perfectly inside the blanking press. With a thunderous strike of over 9,000 tons of pressure, the metal takes its first shape, a glowing wheel blank. The forming process is exact, controlled, and repeatable, ensuring every piece of steel becomes a flawless foundation for the wheel ahead. A robotic arm swiftly transfers the heated blank to the next station. Surrounding the line, a team of intelligent robots cools and lubricates the press, dies in perfect sequence, keeping the operation continuous and efficient. Every motion is calculated, every spark deliberate. The rolling stage begins. Guided by precision-controlled web and lateral rolls, the wheel blank is expanded and shaped without the need for a mandrel. This represents state-of-the-art wheel rolling technology, a balance of heat, pressure, and geometry that molds the wheel into its final profile. Real-time adjustments to tool settings optimize material flow, guaranteeing uniform thickness and structure throughout. Once rolling is complete, the wheel undergoes controlled cooling and surface treatment. An automatic marking device engraves its identity using a high-speed oscillating needle, a permanent digital fingerprint for traceability and quality assurance. Behind this symphony of automation lies Robotic's intelligent control software, continuously monitoring, analyzing, and adjusting forming parameters in real time. This system enables the production of up to 280,000 wheels each year, ranging from 700 to 350 millimeters in diameter, each one engineered for strength, durability, and absolute reliability. These wheels don't just carry weight, they carry the world forward, forged with precision, perfected by technology, and built to last for millions of revolutions. In the global world of precision engineering, reliability begins with the smallest components, the fasteners that hold machines, vehicles, and even aerospace systems together. For over 2 decades, UPS Lakshmi has stood at the forefront of innovation and excellence, transforming India's fastener industry into a world-class benchmark of quality. Located on a 50,000 square meter campus along the Rohtak bypass, the company combines advanced technology with sustainable manufacturing to produce more than 12,000 metric tons annually, serving aerospace, automotive, renewable energy, defense, and infrastructure industries worldwide. Every process, from material handling to finished product, is powered by Industry 4.0 automation. Mart warehouses track over 350 grades and sizes of raw materials with flawless digital precision. Cold forging lines shape components at room temperature with automatic length adjustment and intelligent recipe memory, ensuring consistency in every part. Thread rolling and multi-spindle CNC machines handle complex geometries with micron accuracy, while robotic CNC centers deliver unmanned 24-hour production. Each fastener is ground, heat-treated, and plated in advanced fume-free electroplating systems, capable of over 1,000 surface treatment recipes, from zinc and nickel coatings to stainless passivation. At the final stage, optical inspection and automated packaging ensure that every bolt, screw, and component meets global OEM standards, ready for clients like Boeing, Indian Defense, and even the Mars and Chandrayaan missions. Behind this excellence is visionary leadership, a skilled workforce, and a commitment to sustainability and community development. From vocational training for underprivileged youth to carbon-neutral initiatives shaping a greener tomorrow. In this high-speed production line, 330 milliliters aluminum cans are born, 12,000 of them every single hour. What looks like a blur is actually the result of precision, automation, and meticulous engineering. Empty cans enter the line and are first rinsed to remove any dust or residue. A clean surface ensures quality and hygiene as the process moves forward. Next comes filling, where carbonated liquid is dosed into each can under carefully controlled pressure, guaranteeing consistency, preventing foaming and preserving carbonation. After filling, the cans proceed to seaming, where lids are sealed onto the bodies with exacting mechanics. Every seam is crafted to be airtight, robust, and seamless, critical for preserving freshness and preventing leaks. Once sealed, the cans move through inspection stations. Automated systems check for dimensional accuracy, sealing integrity, and visual defects. Every can that fails to meet standards is rejected before it leaves the line. Meanwhile, quality control systems continuously monitor parameters like fill volume, carbon dioxide levels, and pressure. The line operates under real-time feedback loops, adjusting speed, temperature, and pressure on the fly to maintain optimal performance. This is the heart of modern beverage manufacturing, where raw materials, fluid dynamics, and mechanical design converge in a symphony of automation. From clean rinse to final package, 12,000 cans per hour is more than output. It's engineering in motion. At the end, the finished cans are clustered, packaged, and prepared for shipping. Though the speed and scale are immense, every single product that leaves this line carries a mark of precision and reliability. In the world of beverage production, speed and precision go hand in hand. This rotary filling and sealing machine from King combines two critical processes into one seamless operation, perfect for small to medium beverage manufacturers. Designed for two-piece aluminum pop-top cans, whether cola, iced tea, or sparkling water, this rotary line integrates filling and sealing in a circular motion. Cans move continuously through stations, first filled under controlled pressure, then immediately sealed to lock in carbonation and freshness. By eliminating transfer delays between machines, the system maximizes throughput and maintains consistency. The filling head maintains exacting pressure to eliminate foaming, while the sealing heads ensure airtight closures that meet strict food safety standards. This machine is engineered for reliability. Each cycle is monitored to ensure fill volume, sealing torque, and alignment are within tight tolerances. Deviations trigger instant corrections or rejected cans. Because it's compact and efficient, this rotary unit is ideal for beverage operations that want high performance without large facility footprints. With this technology, you get the speed of a big plant in a machine built for flexibility. Since 2004, Dongguan Casting Industry Company Limited has been shaping excellence in aluminum foundry technology. With nearly 2 decades of expertise, the company delivers complete solutions across every casting process, from sand and gravity casting to low-pressure and high-pressure die casting. Serving industries from automotive and medical to lighting, power, and precision valves, Dongren provides both versatility and reliability. Its in-house mold workshop ensures high-quality tooling, supported by advanced CNC machining centers and coordinate measuring machines for strict dimensional control. The foundry operates 5 production lines for large castings up to 150 kilograms per piece and multiple platforms for small precision components. Equipped with modern polishing, pressure testing, vacuum impregnation, and assembly facilities, every step follows the company's ISO 9001 and TS 16949 quality management systems. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Made Everything Official.